Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving into the world of IBM RPGLE programming to explore a fundamental opcode, unlock. This opcode is essential for managing data integrity by safely releasing locks on shared resources, allowing seamless updates. In this example, we have a data area named DA in library PIO ebook, holding the value 1001. Let's walk through how unlock facilitates secure data handling. First, we lock the data area DA to read its current value into variable C. The current value of the data area can be seen using DSBLY opcode. After reading, we convert this character value into an integer using %int, enabling numerical operations. Next, we increment the integer value by 1, changing it from 1001 to 1002. Before updating the data area DA with this new value, we use the unlock opcode to release the lock, ensuring no conflicts during the update process. Finally, we store and display the updated value 1002 in the data area DA. Let's take a look at the output by checking the data area whether it's updated or not, using the command dspdtaara, then take F4 and provide the data area and library name, then hit enter to check the data area. It's updated with the value 1002. As you can see, unlock is crucial for maintaining data consistency and allowing smooth updates in IBM I environments. Understanding its role enhances the reliability and efficiency of your applications. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the unlock opcode in IBM RPGLE programming. We hope this video has provided you with valuable insights into managing data integrity effectively. Stay tuned for more IBM I tips and tricks. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for notifications on our latest videos. See you next time.